So the left one is RG271 and the right one is RG270. So the previous model used a plastic body suction cup, so lever is plastic, but the latest one, RG271, used the plastic and metal, so the durability is longer than previous RG270. So RG271 also used rather faster knob, so you can fast turn or slowly turn, but this knob is like this. Also the low frame which hold the smartphone body, you pull the lever to release the smartphone body from the lower frame, but RG270 you have to use the fingers to push it forward, then you unfold the upper frame.